Hurricane Daniel arrived in Gaza in the form of heavy rain, submerging houses. Residents' houses in Gaza were submerged in water due to continuous rain that fell for several hours in the Gaza Strip since early morning on Wednesday. Weather forecaster Laith Al-Alami confirmed that Hurricane Daniel, which hit Libya on Sunday, arrived in Palestine at dawn on Wednesday, in the form of air instability. He added, this storm lost most of its strength during its journey towards Egypt and arrived in Palestine in the form of atmospheric instability. Residents' houses in the Gaza Strip were flooded on Wednesday evening, due to continuous rain that fell for several hours, after the remnants of Hurricane Daniel, which devastated Libya and Egypt over the past few days, arrived in the Gaza Strip. The Palestinian Meteorological Department also warned its citizens of the possibility of heavy rains in some valleys and low-lying areas, while the country is affected by weather instability.